Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a classic rainbow spiral. Start out by deciding where you want the center of your spiral to be. I usually come down about an inch or two below the underarm line, and I spiral it up using a hemostat. That's a pretty good looking spiral, and now it's time to remove the hemostat. So you want to wiggle it out gently and hold down the center of the spiral. If you rip it out too quickly, you might take the whole spiral with you, and then you're going to have to start over from scratch. Now that it's all spiraled up, it's time to secure it. I like to use rubber bands, and I really love these rubber bands. I make jokes about it now because I just love them so much. I got them off of Amazon, and I have them listed down below in the description box, along with everything else that I use to create tie-dye. The spiral is secure, it's not going anywhere. So now it's time to mark out your dye pattern. We're doing a traditional rainbow, so I'm going to mark out 6 pieces of pie. Now it's time for the fun part. We get to add our dye. And you want to start with the primary colors. The reason for that is because when they meet in the center, they're going to make a pretty secondary color. If you start with the purple, the green, and the orange, when they combine in the middle, they make brown. And I've said it before, nobody really likes brown. Now that we have all the dye on the top side, let's flip it over and repeat it on the back side. We have the dye on the shirt the way we want it. Now set it aside and let it batch for 24 hours. Now that the shirt is done batching, it's time to rinse it out. As always, start by using cold water. That's going to remove any soda ash that might still be left inside the shirt, and then gradually increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs clear. From here, it's going to go into the washing machine on a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol. That's a textile detergent that I get from Dharma. And then I do a third hot water cycle using Milsoft, and that just brings softness back into the fabric after the dyeing process. It's going to go into the dryer, and we'll come back and we'll see our results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried. And it's just a really pretty classic spiral. What do you guys think? Go ahead and leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a thumbs up and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.